Welcome back. Today we have my 2019 BMW 330i XDrive, and it's in for that pesky engine light that has been bothering me for the last 3 months. And the code is 138206, also known as P05AF. So that all is pointing to the lower radiator shutter blinds. We have to replace those, which sometimes they get jammed up. Maybe sometimes a piece gets broken. And even if something is off, that's gonna throw a check engine light. You'll sometimes see, your RPMs bounce a little bit, but definitely let's go ahead and replace this on this video. Before we start, it's a good idea to jack up the car. I put it on the ramps, but I'm gonna have minimal clearance between the bolts from the liner, so it's a good idea if you could jack it up, take the wheel off. That way you have enough space, because we have to peel back that liner, and we need to do that for both sides. All right, let's take it to the wheel well. I also put a drop cloth so I can, once I take the bumper off, I can lay it in there. There we go. So just put my lamp down. You have 10 mil, 10 mil, another 10 mil, one more there, and that one there too if you want to peel this thing back, the liner. And then once you peel this back, around here there are going to be some bolts, 2 bolts holding the lower, well actually the bumper into the fender. Let's go ahead and do that right now. There's barely any space in here. Nope. Alright, I ended up taking all the ones in the back as well. That way I have more flexibility. Also ones in the back. Now we have this pull back, and the bracket is going to be right here. Let me put some light. Right here. One, and then I don't know if you can see the one in the back. 2. These are 8 mil bolts, so use an 8 mil. And a swivel socket like this one right here. I'm gonna zip those out. We got the 8 mil. Now we're gonna go underneath and take all the 10 mil bolts. Let me show you. We're underneath the car. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 10 bolts. Take all those 10 mil bolts out. Try to pop it off from here. We're gonna do that on the other side as well. Alrighty. Try not to break anything. feel like something is stuck around here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this grill out so that way I have good access down here. Once you get to the top, obviously remove this weather seal. And then you have these clips. You have one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here you have some tabs that you have to push outwards on both sides, pull up. Same thing here, and same thing here. You don't want to break that. Once you get that, then you can move this out the way. Then you have a bolt here, which is a it's a T30. Yeah, T30 right here. Then also you got some tabs over here. All right, then we go to the grill. We all know how pesky these are to remove. You just gotta yank, hopefully I don't break it. Cause I like to break shit all the time. There we go. All right, so this is where I feel like it's getting stuck. All right, the way I did it. Now, if there's an easier way, put it down in the comments below. There are 2 bolts here. I believe it was T20 here, another T30 in here. I disconnected the plug for the upper radiator. I just don't want to break anything, so something's being held up here. Yeah, we got some connectors on this side, so I'm gonna go ahead and take those off on the left side. We took the connectors off from there. These are the 2 connectors I was talking to you about. The small one and the big one. Let's go ahead and take this padding off. There's a bolt that we have to expose. Oh, damn, I broke. Be careful. There we go. Go ahead and grab your T30, one here, actually there's 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, we got our 4 bolts out. Let's put some good lighting in here. Now there's also going to be a connector behind this blind. All right, underneath this aluminum bar right here, there's gonna be this plastic cover. Just pull up on the tabs, slowly bring it out. That should give you some clearance. There are plastic tabs. There we go. Now we have to disconnect the sensor. All right, once you take the plug off, this is your assembly right here. Built in with the motor, and we already have one. Let me go show you what I got. All right, here we got the replacement part. I actually ordered this from OEM Parts online through a BMW dealership. Came from Tampa, I believe Tampa Bay. And so this is an original part. Let's put you on this, man. This was cheaper than FCP Euro, cheaper than RAM European. I got this, I believe, for 222. FCP wanted like 281, sorry, 260 something with tax, and then RM European wanted about like 287 with tax and shipping. So this is the OEM BMW replacement. Let's go ahead and slap this on. Taps facing up. we fasten the bolts on both sides that hold the bumper to the fender. Those are 8mm. So for this, I really recommend taking the wheel off. That way you can peel this liner back. You're able to screw them in very comfortably. So now I'm gonna finish doing the bottom ones, putting the bolts for the liner, and I'll be back in a second. We're finished putting all the bolts for the liners underneath. We also put the grill back on, the tabs. Don't forget to put the tabs, the bolts, the I believe they were T30s. And then your weather seal, which runs all the way there. Everything's back in there. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car. There shouldn't be a check engine light. If there is, just go ahead and reset it, and that should take care of this problem. I'm gonna go ahead and start it real quick. Let's go ahead and start this. There's no check engine light, looks good. That's definitely gonna take care of that problem. And there you have it. We replaced the lower radiator shutters. It's not that hard. Anybody can do it. Don't pay nobody $1,200, $1,300 just to get this fixed. Do it yourself. Buy the part. I'm gonna put the link on the description box where I got this one from. It's an OEM BMW one. So I'm gonna put that down, the tools I use. And again, if you guys found this video helpful, please hit the like, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.